Good morning. How's it going? Buenos dias. Good morning. Buenos dias, guys. Welcome back to Fishing with Nordbye. Out here in the plopper this morning. We're getting ready to go fishing. We got a bunch of guys going fishing today. And yeah, out here in El Papa Shaw. That's right, that's right. We've been talking American, English, and Spanish. That's right. Hopefully get on some big ones today. 1 over 10 would be nice. These guys are really excited. It's their first time to the lodge. They're enjoying it. They got in here last night. Jose, how are you? ¿Cómo está? Doing good? Good. All right, all right. And we got some coffee going this morning. They're packing us some breakfast burritos in the coolers with some water. We got some Coca-Cola, packing some beers for these guys. But we're excited. We're gonna get out there today. Hopefully get on some good ones. Hey Jose, how many feet did the lake come up last night?
Oh man.
Or meters?
Let's go. Oh, last night?
Last night. 4 feet?
That's 1 meter.
Alright, so the lake came up 3 or 4 feet last night. It already came up 15 feet yesterday in 24 hours. So lake's come up about 20 feet. But we're just gonna go fish shallow, because when the lake comes up, fish move shallow. They chase the bait fish that move shallow, eating the little plankton and grasshoppers and whatever else flooded, and the bass move in behind them. So we're gonna get them today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay with me. We're gonna catch some big ones. Let's go. Alright guys, just got back into our spot. Got Jimmy, my wife, Jessica, and Jessica's throwing a worm, Cody's throwing topwater, plopper, chopo. Jimmy's throwing a square bill. I'm putting on a giant 7-inch Senko here. Big old Senko. I'm rigging it wacky style, so we'll see how that goes. I'm excited. Got my katana hook here, homemade weed guard on it. And these things are so sharp. I'm excited. Where are they at? There they are. One just jumped. There they are. This is what we're throwing today, guys. Giant Senko. There it is. All right, we're ready to roll. What do you guys think? Is that gonna catch a 10-pounder or what?
Oh yeah.
All right. Cool. Yeah, I caught my 7-pounder on this.
You don't put any weight on this?
No, you just let it sink, weightless, and you give it a little twitch every now and then. That's it. Oh my gosh. That was a big blow up too. Wow. Alright, hitting some top water. I'll switch it up. Throw the spook, Cody's throwing the plopper. Gotta find what they're eating.
So is that lure to mimic the like crippled twist on top too?
Yeah. Oh, he crushed it.
Nice.
Yeah, there we go. All right, all right. Oh man, they're fighters here. I gotta get them out of this debris. Ooh, river came up.
Ooh, we didn't grab a net.
All that
did
debris. No, we forgot our net. It was sitting right there on the bank. Oh well.
Nice.
We'll just boat flip the 10-pounder we're about to catch today. He bit it while I was stopped, honey. Okay. That'll work. Yeah, he did. All right, guys. 2.5, 3-pounder start the morning. Probably, yeah, it's a good one. All right, see ya. Let's get back out there. Thanks for telling us where to go, Jose. We went way up the river this morning where Jose said's a good spot. That's where I set the hook. And we already got one on top water. Can't beat that. They're busting all around us too. I don't know what they're eating. Oh. There's one. Oh, he spit it.
He did.
Well, shoot.
There's some hope.
I mean,
There's one. Yep. On the wacky rig. Had to downsize. Yeah. That's two bites in a row on it. All right. Fat little guy. Let's go on down the river a little bit. There you go, Jimmy. Yes. Nice. Crankbait. There you go. There he is. On the crank. You called it.
so you were like, did you get one? No. Well, he was on there.
You were just
He was just swimming towards me.
Yeah. Wasn't big enough to tell.
Yeah.
Fish? Yeah. I got one on. There he is.
Yeah. Nice.
Little guy.
Mine is 7.
Little guys are biting. Get him, Jessica. There you go. Here, I'll get it for you. Nice.
Looky there.
Yeah. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Perfect.
Oh!
There he goes.
There goes.
Fish bluffs. I ain't bluffing. I'm about to be bluffing though.
Balls.
Yeah. Right next to him. Get it, Jessica. Oh, you got a good one.
Good one.
Oh, here. Oh, stop a second. All right. Yeah, that one's a little bigger. There we go.
Get him.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, pull and drag. There you go. Yep, you're doing good. Oh my gosh.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
Woo!
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at that, Jessica.
No way I can hold that thing.
Yeah, you got it. He's not even wiggling. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Skinny too, like mine
Wow.
was.
On the shaky head. We gotta weigh him. We gotta weigh him.
Oh,
Here, I gotta get the boat away from the rocks. We figured him out, guys. They're by the big bluff rocks. Heck yeah. I'm gonna get the boat out here so we don't float in. All right. Jessica, that's a giant. All right, here we go. We're gonna weigh him. Last one I caught was 4.02. This guy is 4.66. 68. 4.7.
Woo!
Yeah. Almost a 5-pounder. You got him. He's not gonna wiggle. Just reach your thumb like right there. Yep.
Ooh, should I?
Just right there.
Be strong. And then don't let go
Yep.
until
You just
I
grab
have a
him
good
like.
grip.
Yeah, I won't.
Hold on.
There you go.
Ooh.
Nice. Perfect. All right. What do you think about that?
My first big fish.
That's a
I'm
giant.
excited.
Look at that fish, guys. Beaut, a beaut. All right, let's give him a nice release. Just set him down. There we go. Perfect. Good job. So what I did there, since he was fighting so hard, he was pulling lots of drag, so I loosened it by turning it counterclockwise, and it gets easier to come out. So now we're gonna tighten it back up so when you set the hook, you have a better hook set. That's what we're after. First spot on the rocks we come to. He's in the shade too. Nice. Good job, Jessica. Big one? Not bad, not bad. There you go. Yeah. Good job. You got him? Yeah. Yeah, just bring it behind you, the pole. There you go, just like that.
Look at that.
Good job.
I don't trust myself taking the hook.
You got him. Let's see. You got it.
It makes me nervous with the hook.
No, you
I'm
got
so
it.
skittish.
There you go. Good one.
Check it out. All right.
Nice.
You set all that for that.
Oh my gosh, look on the underside of this rock.
Oh.
Wow. Can't believe how many spiders are over there. That's crazy.
I'll give you some right
They're
there.
giant spiders too.
Oh, one just fell
I
in.
don't want to catch it.
That's hilarious. There you go. Get him, Jessica. Nice. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Schooling us. That's a wild bass. Wild bill. That's one way to get him.
There it is.
Good one. Good one. Well, we figured out how to catch a few at least. We're catching them here in these bluffs. Yeah, that one she caught right back in that crevice. I didn't cast there. I was hoping you would. Alright guys, back in the Palapa. We just ate some lunch and we are going to go out for another round this afternoon. Caught a couple good ones this morning. So the other guys that are staying here, they caught an 8.5 pounder and a 7 pounder and a bunch of other small ones. So they did catch a couple giants even with this water coming up. They said they caught them in 25 foot of water just throwing a scrounger head. But they only caught 2 fish in 5 hours and they caught 2 giants. So anyways, I might go try do some deeper stuff today. Use the deep crank, put on a big scrounger head, see what happens. But we're gonna get back out here and hopefully catch some good ones this evening. We'll probably fish some more bluff rock as well because we started catching them later this morning on the bluffs, because I think when the water rises it rose 20 feet and those fish just move up and down, but when you're on like a flatter spot the water goes way up and down the bank when it goes up 20 feet. So a lot more room for those fish to disperse when the water goes up versus when you're at a bluff, they stay in kind of the same spot. So we'll just see what happens.